Toyota has revamped the Highlander for 2020. It's vastly improved compared with the 2019 model it replaces. Next year, a sportier-looking XSE model will join the lineup. With plenty of room to hold the fam and your stuff, the 2020 Highlander and Highlander Hybrid are two handsome options in the mid-size SUV segment that carry Toyota's rock-solid reputation for reliability. With 3 rows of seating and plenty of cargo space, these utes are practical choices even though rivals such as the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade offer slightly more value. Toyota's mid-size SUV is new for 2020 and offers many useful features not found in the outgoing Highlander. Both a gasoline V6 and a hybridized 4-cylinder are available, and the Highlander delivers a smooth ride and a quiet cabin. Many driver assistance features are standard across the range, including automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. The Highlander comes with a 295 HP 3.5-liter V6 engine, which pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors team up for a combined 243 horsepower in the Highlander Hybrid. This model comes with a continuously variable automatic transmission and a choice between front and all-wheel drive. The EPA estimates that the 2020 Highlander V6 will deliver up to 29 mpg on the highway when equipped with the front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive cuts that by 2 mpg. Hybrid models carry high ratings, with front-wheel drive variants earning 36 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway.